Hi everybody, welcome back to Focus Hive. Thank you for sticking around and staying along with me. I wanted to come in and give you guys a quick update of a massive change that has happened in my life. I had to pack my whole everything. I had to pack everything in 4 suitcases and make a move from India to United States. The whole family has moved here. I'm just waiting for my mom to her visa is done, so I'm happy that that's done deal. As soon as I can, I will get her tickets and she'll be here, so the whole family is here. I wanted to kind of get your attention on the new book that I've published. The name of the book is Beyond Tech: Leadership Lessons and Insights. It's things that I've learned over the period of past 20 years that I've been working in the corporate world, and make use of my experience and be the best that you can. So grab a copy for yourself and share your feedback with me. Let me know how you found the book, and I am very excited about it. I want each one of you to grab a copy for yourself. Let me know how you feel about it. Do share and let everybody know about it, and subscribe, like. I'm going to put the link down below in the description so that you can go and buy the book. The more you buy, the merrier it is for me. So I'm looking forward to it. Thank you so much, and stay tuned. I'm going to bring more content, and I'm currently working on another book with respect to technology, but I'm going to make sure that it is broken into smaller nuggets for each and every one to understand and make use of it. Stay tuned for more interesting content.